It's Egypt! Yes, I'm in Egypt, I'm in Egypt! I really wonder who invited me here in the first place. Well, what do you know? Tsunamen! I wonder what she's doing here.
Oh, welcome, my new special guest. Allow me to introduce myself. I am the Tsunamen. I am the princess of the Egyptian ruins. And as said princess of Egypt, your request is to keep me in full protection from the most demonic monster of all, the mummy.
As they say in the duck business, I wonder if Tara Strong could actually do a great impression on this whole Egyptian mumble-jumble language. Wouldn't you agree? You've got nothing to worry about, Fu. I'll make sure you're on full protection, and I won't stop till I do. Huh? What was that? Oh, I hear screaming all of a sudden! What? They're gonna transform her into a mummy! Hold on tight, Fu! I'm coming! Uh-oh. Looks like Fu is in trouble. I must act fast. Hey, you big palooka! If you want her, you're gonna have to go through me first! I think this guy's getting steamed up over nothing. Now it's off to save old Fu. Now don't worry, Fu. I can free you from this Egyptian prison somehow, and take you over to America, and start a new life. So what do you say, Dollface? Who are you anyway?
Hey, I'm Chloe. Don't let you and me wrestle.
Wait a second. That's our mummy in this picture? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, your mummy. Happy birthday to you. Signed, Mr. Frank and Stein. Oh, and that'll be $55, please. When you hear the tone, the time will be exactly 10:05. Aunt Sue! Hey, Aunt Sue! Wake up! It's only me, Daffy Duck!
Daffy?
What happened?
Now, my tiny little friend, now I guess you won't try to scare me away. You don't know me very well, do you?